4, 3, 2.
But wait a minute, I can't just show you the explosion. You have to watch the whole video first.
Lenses on the bedside table, and I'm hoping you decide to come back home. Is this heavy heart a house yet? 'Cause I've been alone far too long. When are you coming over, my love? Are you when running with my heart and it's a long, long, long way back?
Yeah.
This is the spot where you turn into it. Oh, my shoe!
What?
This is the harder one. Yet I just put it that far to get
Easy.
Listen, Paul. Turtle. See it?
Yeah.
We see a turtle. Wait. What is going on? I'm gonna catch it. Wait, no. Right here on the bottom.
Go for it.
Super duper wet.
Do it.
Hey, are you in your clothes? Can you catch it, Si?
No,
I'm
these
getting
are...
already super wet. Get in. See it right there? Wait. I see it's moving. Yeah.
It's right there. Oh yeah, you can barely see it.
See it right there? Just let up air.
Yeah, see that bubble?
Can you catch that tight? Maybe. How deep is the water? Not deep. You have to slowly approach it so the mud doesn't overlap on it. Touch it.
Nice. Got it?
Turtle.
Dude.
Look at those jaws on that thing. Whoa. Stab it, stab it. Stab it, stab it. I want to see what happens if his eyes are. Look at him, he's smiling.
Bro is...
Yeah.
Dude, what is that?
Easy killer. You're just covering it up.
We done that.
They said wood on top.
Okay. We're doing like a full 2-day Nerf army camp. So basically what Luke with Outdoor Boys did, except Nerf. We've got our stash here. We're camp way down that hill. And that's where our enemy is. So we can like see them, but we have like no cover.
Just clip it to your shirt or something.
It doesn't work. I tried it.
We've outnumbered them 3-1.
Oh. Get him. Oh. What's it look like? They're already on one. This is so weird. I got hit. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we're going easy right now. Whoa. You're not? You said we were. Oh, I'm going full out squad then. I got you. We're dead now. And no, we're not going easy?
He's out!
Uh-huh. So then we can catch this moment on camera. Oh, snap. That is so high.
Should we not like have each out here?
Mia, I can send you the video.
Okay, you don't have to, guys. Remember, you don't have health insurance.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna hit me. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Good job.
Alright, let's do the home idea. Let's move forward.
I need another stick. Okay, I'm setting the broom trap.
You said it?
I'm setting it right now. I need another stick.
Gosh, there's a ton of little brim just flew through.
I know. I'm setting your trap right there.
Alright,
Where? I need another stick, guys. Quick. This will work. This will work. Oh, come on. Whatever. Doesn't. Oh, this is like a broom trap. And then the broom will swim in there. Okay. I'm gonna set my camera down right over here. Why is it filming?
You watching the other turtle? Alright, where's my spear? I'm gonna go get my stuff and then try to corral those things. That's gotta make it.
What was that? I think something hit my trap.
I'm
That's
glad I thought of that net thing. Then I'll launder that. Alright, the turtle. There's a bunch of them right here.
stupid
The
spider.
turtle should be coming your way, guys. Because I whacked the wall. I put a stick under where she wants.
Oh wow. I put this a lot stronger.
There she is.
Gonna,
No, Silas!
what?
They're gonna escape. Right there. I watched a herd of fish come through right there.
Here, give me something to...
No, hook it to this. Like that. Then there's no way they can get through. Unless they're dorks or something. They just eat through. But let's hope they're not. Ah!
Let's, wait, get away from it. Let's let the water clear up a bit.
And he's looking at it. Ask Titus about how much I hate when he looks at it.
Yeah, it's annoying. Well, that's what he says.
My adrenaline just went to like 1 billion.
That thing is bigger than the last time we saw it.
I know. I think it's grown a foot.
I think it might be a different one.
Same
Don't slip in now.
Look at the 6-pack on its beak.
Oh,
See that 6-pack?
thing is giant.
Its fin's starting to move. It should be very slow. It can sense water waves. That's when it went away last time. You have a longer stabber. Hold on. Do you have any more rope? Over there? There was 3 pieces.
I can make this into like a...
What?
I can just...
No. Can I have that? You want it to be a little deeper?
Can you film me putting it on?
Move down.
Weston, get out of the way. Get off.
Get off.
Get off. Get off. Is that good?
Four, three, two, one. Yeah, boy! Oh my word!
No, look at it!
Hey!
Hey, is that a turtle?
He nailed it. Oh, a good shot.
Alright. Oh my word, it just blew up. And this is gonna start overflowing now. Because that was a beaver dam we just blew up. We blew it up with tannerite. Wow. That was amazing. I'm gonna have a slow-mo replay about now.